In this video, we are going to see the concepts of square root. How to find the square root for given number without using calculator. And the square root is very important. This is the very basic operations. In your competitive exams, number system and simplifications having this type of questions. First of all, we are going to see the shortcut for finding the square root. Both are same. This is also called square root of x and this is also called square root of x. The root which does not have any power value means it will be considered as square root. It will be considered as square root. So square root of 16 or else square root of 16, both are same. So the root of x, that is square root of x, is also written in the format of x to the power of 1 by 2. So x square is not equivalent to x to the power of 1 by 2. X to the power of 1 by 2 is the meaning is, so square root, we want to find the square root of x. This x square means we need to multiply that x value into 2 times x into x. We will go to find the square root for 4096. Okay. 1 square value 1, 2 square value 2, 3 square value 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64 and 9 square 81, 10 square 100. At least you should know the, at least I am saying you should know the square answers from 1 to 10. Okay. Consider your question 4096. So you want to split this number into two digit. From your right hand side, you want to split it as two digit. This is your first part and this is your second part. Okay. In your first part, you want to check the unit digit alone. Unit digit is nothing but ending digit is the unit digit. So 6. In your square answers, which part having the ending value 6? 4 square also ending with 6 and similarly 6 square also ending with 6. 4 square also ending with 6 and similarly 6 square also ending with 6. Okay, 40. Now you want to take this whole part value 40. 40 means there is no perfect square answer for this. If it is 36 means we can able to say, we can correctly say that is 6 square answer. 49 means that is 7 square answer. 64 means that is 8 square answer. But here 40, the 40 is lies in between from 36 to 49. So in this type we want to consider our previous value. Which one is your previous value here? 6. So 36 means which number square root? That is 6. Your first digit is 6. So now we are close to the result, either 64 or 66. Which is your middle value here? Which is your middle value here? 65. A number which is ending with 5 means that is very easy to calculate the square value. A number which is ending with 5 means that is very easy to calculate the square value. What does that means? So we want to take the middle value. What is the middle value within this number? 65. What is your 5 square answer? 25. What is your next number from 6? 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Okay, so 4225, the given result is, while comparing with this result, this is less than 4096 is less than 4225. So we want to consider our smaller value. Which one is here smaller value? 64. Okay. 9801. 9801. From your right hand side you want to split it as 2 digit. Which one is having the ending digit value? That is 1. 1 means which part having the ending digit value? 1 square also ending with 1, and similarly 9 square also ending with 1. So your unit digit is 1 or 9. Okay, now consider this whole part value. What is your whole part value? 98. 98 means which? The 98 is lies in between from 81 to 100. So 98. We want to consider the previous value. Which one is your previous value here? 81. 81 means which number square answer? 9. Your first digit is 9. Okay. So I want to confirm which number is the correct answer. So what is your middle value here? 95. What are the numbers available? You can consider that number is ending with 5. If it is a number is ending with 5 means we can able to find the square answers for that number very easily. The shortcut for finding the square answer is for 95 is 95 into 95. Don't waste your time. Okay. What is 5 square answer? 25. What is the next number from 9, 10? 9 tens are 90. 9025. The 9025 is, the given result is, while comparing with this one is greater. The given result is greater. If the given result is greater means we want to choose greatest value. Which one is your greatest value? 99. So the square root of 9801 is 99. Okay, let's take in another example. So 17956. Okay, how to find square root of? In this question we are going to find the square root of 3-digit number. Let's take an example of first one. 17956. So you want to consider 2 digit from your right hand side. 6 means your ending digit value. 4 square also ending with 6, and similarly 6 square also ending with 6. Now consider your whole part value. 179. 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. And 14 square is 196. So the 179 is lies in between from 169 to 196. 1679. So we want to consider the previous value. Previous value means 169. 169 which number square answer? That is 13. Now we are going to find the square root of this one. So what is your middle value here? 135. 135, what is the square of 135? 5 square value 25. What is the next number from 13? 14. 13 into 14. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12, 1 3s are 3, and 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. 182. The given result is smaller while comparing with this result. So the given result is smaller means you want to take the smallest value. Which one is here smallest value? 134. So 134. Square root of 17956 is 134. Okay. And your next example is square root of 24025. You want to split this 2 digit from your right hand side. What is your ending digit value here? 5 means 5 square only ending with 5. So your unit digit is 5. Don't worry about that 5. From 1 to 10, 5 square only ending with 5. Okay, so your unit digit is 5 alone. There is no option. Okay, 240. What is the whole part value here? 240. 240 240 is not a perfect square root. 240 is lies in between from 15 square is 225 and 16 square is 286. So the 240 is lies in between from 225 to 286. We want to consider the previous value. Previous value means 15 square. So the first two digit is 15. Square root of 24025 is 155. And your next example is 15129. Square root of 15129. We want to consider, we want to split this two digit from your right hand side. Which part having the ending digit value 9? 3 square also ending with 9, and similarly 7 square also ending with 9. 151. 151 in the sense that is 12 square value 144. Okay, 13 square value 169. The 151 is lies in between from 144 to 169. You want to consider the previous value. Which one is your previous value? 144. 144 means which number? 12. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 7. You want to consider the mid value. 1, 2, 5. 5 square value 25. What is the next number from 12? 13. 12 into 13, 156. The given result is lesser than this result. So which one is your lesser value? 123. So 123 is the square root of 15129. If you are memorizing from 1 to 50 square answers means it is very useful for you. In this table having the values 1 to 50 square answers. Why I am saying means, so in the previous examples and all we had seen that is 15 square value, 16 square value, 18 square value. That time you should not calculate that values and all. If you are calculating, you are wasting your time. The competitive exam means the main thing is we want to reduce our calculation time, then only we can achieve this cutoff marks and all. Okay, so my best you can memorize the square answers from 1 to 50. It is very useful for you. And in this video we were discussed the shortcut for finding the square root, and based on the how to find the square root of given 4-digit number and 5-digit number. Thank you for watching.